Please listen to the following message from the Federal Bureau of Investigation for the safety of yourself and others. It has been recently discovered that the extraterrestrial abstract music from the Preformers from outer space has caused a strange sickness among those who listen. It is not known if this effect is intentional. It is strongly recommended to contact law enforcement if you or anyone else exhibits homicidal tendencies or a sudden urge to eat human flesh. It is strongly encouraged to not go to these extraterrestrial abstract light and music shows in your localized area. Stay away from windows and put on noise-canceling earphones. The Federal Bureau of Investigation will look into this matter further to ensure the safety of the general public. Communication will be attempted to assess if these effects are intentional. Please stay attuned to radio, news sources, or NOAA weather radio for future updates on this extraterrestrial conflictual situation.